My vision is centered on unity and cooperation. I believe that through the cooperation of workers, management, and the union, we can achieve a workplace that is beneficial for all. As the leader of your union, my role is to be a bridge between workers and management, promoting open communication and negotiation to reach solutions that are beneficial. Total unity is our strength, and together we will create a more harmonious and productive workplace. My vision is more than just a workplace. It is a community where every member is valued, respected, and trusted. I believe in the power of collective action and the importance of a strong union in achieving fair wage, safe working conditions, and fair treatment. My role as your union leader is to be your voice, your advocate, and your guide in achieving a more just and equitable workplace. For all together, we will create a workplace that reflects our values and inspires others.